Okay, next is the 10-inch. We open from the bottom. Okay, this is the foam and the speakers. So let's check what is inside. Okay, we have nothing but just a quick start guide. That's all you have in this PK110. We'll put it back. And have a look on the PK110. Okay, this is the front look. This is the side look. And this is the back. So similar with the 8-inch, we have a speaker on input and a link output. Okay, it's the same. And the handle is here. As you can see the handle here. Okay, so that's all. And there's a hanging point for your screw on the top. Yeah, it's here. Any more other places which I can hang the thing? Nope. There's another one at the bottom. Yeah, it's here. There's another one at the bottom. You can screw something. Can I open it? Oh, there's nothing here. Yeah, there's another screw hole here. Or you can put your pole or the mounting below. So basically, that's about it. The 10-inch of the PK series. This is the 8-inch. Similarly, the bottom we have this screw hole. Okay, this is a 10-inch. So next is the 12-inch, the passive version, PK112. Looks tiny to me. Similarly, just a quick start guide. There's nothing else. So this getting more interesting. Okay, this is the front wheel. This is a side wheel. You can see there's a handle for the 12-inch. And this is the back wheel. You can see speaker on input and a link output. So same like the 10-inch and the 8-inch. And another handle here. And we have another handle at the top. So we have 3 handles here. How about the mounting point? So maybe this is the mounting point. So yeah, there's one screw here. And then the second screw is here. So there's 2 screws. Any other places which have screw? Yeah, you have another 2 screws here. So 1 and 2. There's 2 screw hole here you can for your fixed installation. So this is the PK112 12-inch, and it's quite lightweight. It's quite lightweight. Active version of the 12-inch PK112A. Wow, this is quite heavy. And what do we have inside? Okay, we have a user manual with a remote control. And a power cable. Because this is an active version, so you need the power to make it run. So I put it back and we check the unit itself. So this is the front view. This is a side view. You can see there's a handle here. This is the back view. So you can see the power amplifier is here. Okay, we have a mic 1 and mic 2 with an XLR or the mono or stereo jack. Then we have a third channel, which is a line or MP3. So I believe the MP3 comes from the digital media player, which can accept Bluetooth, pen drive, or SD card. And there's a lot of buttons here to fast forward, pause, volume up, volume down, repeat, EQ, and mode. And then we have this button to select between the line or MP3. So MP3 is this media player, or the line, which means from the RCA. Then we have a master volume. What is this? This is a equalization, the high EQ and the low EQ. And then we have a heatsink here. Quite a big heatsink. The AC input, the power on-off switch, and there is a output. Okay, output. I think this amplifier can maybe to power another unit like PK112. I will try it out, see whether it works. So what do we have? The rigging point. Similarly, there's two here. Okay, there's none on the side. Yes, none at the side. And at the bottom, yeah, there's another two rigging point here. So that's about it. I will check this speaker out and listen to the performance of it, and maybe I'll give my comment on this new product from Behringer. So see you.